What's going on, people? Here I am, a quick update on what's going on. Of course, in the sunny state of Alabama, I don't know, it feels like 100 today, but let me show you what's going on. Yes, there is the famous hen house. Here is the egg hutch. Here is the well ventilation with hardware cloth. Nothing's coming in or out. Here's the clean out door with more ventilation, hardware cloth. My main entrance for myself, it's a window that comes up. I can fit in there nice and easy. Here is where the run door is going to be. We're getting an automatic door with more hardware cloth. Nothing's going in or out. Show you also window has hardware cloth just in case. But we are going to bring the chicks in here soon, so we had to do some modifying. I closed off the egg hutch. Let me see, hold on. There it goes. I closed off the egg hutch. I put in some temporary roosting bars a little bit lower. I built me a little feeder right there. I don't know if you can see, there's a chain hanging. That chain is going to be the water. And this over here is going to be the dust bath, which is a pretty big crate. Let me get a different view. A decent size, you know what I'm saying? But once again, in the oh, hold on, let me show you guys something. But bam, there it is. We have a security system. There goes a camera up there. Nifty, night vision and all. Solar powered, motion sensor, solar panel there. And that's what it is. It is what it is, my people. Peace.